Uh, Let me share my screen.
Because that is our benchmark. Am I right? 3912. Okay.
Yeah.
That is upper one. Okay.
So if you see, yeah, you are talking about this
Yes,
future
correct,
space.
correct. So hopper basically from 3912 to future space. Now future space already they are occupied, I think, for this P5 project.
Yes.
Okay. So just take that distance and just see the assembly of that, and then based on that you just clear it and put it further down. Okay.
No problem. No problem. We will update our GA and plot plan based on the latest drawing which we received from the company.
P5, yeah, correct. Okay.
Yes.
From the company, yes.
Yes.
Just to check the, if everything is fine, that's fine. But if any clashes, just to have a double check, okay, with the latest
Yeah.
revision.
We
Final
will
plot plan.
ensure that there will be clear access in between these two
Okay.
facilities.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we will capture in the recommendation also, because these points are very, very important in terms of operability and maintainability point of view. So Rakesh will take one recommendation also for this.
No
Okay.
problem.
Yes, so these are the preventive controls what we have identified, and FNG detector is there existing, but we have to check existing. And existing ERP is there, active passive fire protection system. I do not know. You have passive fire protection system nearby?
Chairman, existing FNG don't take it, because this is a toxic gas. That existing is only the flammable.
Okay, I will take one recommendation then. I will take one recommendation. A passive fire protection system is not there. I know. Medivac
No,
first aid is there.
active fire protection also not there, because there is no. It's just
Okay, no firefighting system? No fire
that's
hydrant?
a 4-5. No. We don't have.
Oh, really? So regular mock drill, speed limit is okay. We have seen that's okay. But I have take
in
review.
we have this. Fire water system is there.
Fire water system. How far from this big research, Abdul Kader?
It is. It is nearby. It is there.
Nearby, yeah.
But fire water system is there. In because that is coming from AG. Since this inlet facility is beside the AG, so they are sharing, this fire water system.
Okay.
There was some piping hydrant. Right.
Hydrant we can cover it, no problem. But it's fine. Okay, take it. Active fire protection system is a safeguard.
Yes, okay. Now review the FNG coverage to the